Hello, hi, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel. In this video, we will see about the Fossil Q Generation 3 watch unboxing. Okay, we can let us unbox and see. This is the rounded necked watch and it has three buttons, and in the front it's fully touch display. Okay, we can see the side view and all the view of this one. Now if you see, means in the side it has a very uh, steel one, and next this is the round and this full steel, and next here the company, if you see, means okay, it has a music and message and running, and the next if you see, means it has a watch and fully touch and voice it's having, and next if you see, we can unbox and see in the back side. If you see, means there is written you can connect with the Android mobile and iOS mobile, and they had given one barcode. You are scanned to full details in your mobile phone, you can scan and see. Okay, next we can see unbox. Okay, we can open this box and see. Okay, first you are having one user guide manual. You can read and see all options here. Okay, next having the here, this is the Fossil Q Gen 3 watch. Okay, we can on this watch. This is switch off. We can on. Long press to on. Okay, this is the Fossil logo. Now it's written Fossil like an Android mobile is on. Okay, if you see, and we can see what is inside the box. One, okay, we can see, means that it's very hard to, and here one wireless charger is coming. Okay, if you see, means it's coming. Now you can we can unbox this. Okay, this is that wireless charger. Okay, see, this is that one. Backside you have to keep and charge, and if you have to connect to, okay, we can see how to charge this. You can take this and backside you keep. Okay, after keeping it will be charged. Now it's charging. Now see, means no, now see, it's fully charging. Okay, we can see how to this. In the backside you push like this. Okay, okay, next we can see this options. It has many layouts. Now see the layout. Wait, and this having that message no notifications. Now you can see notifications, and next if you see, no, now this is that layout. You can change many layouts it's having. You can download this layout from the net in this watch, and okay, this like I keeping this. When you press this center button, many options, torch and many settings, calculator and battery and applications, alarm, calendar, find my device, fit, and the Fossil Q. You can connect phone, and next phone options, play store, and many options is there. Okay, you cannot connect this to SD card, and thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe my channel and my friend channel Technical Sachin K.